Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the obvious but essential items: battery level and firmware. Plug in charger and watch LED behavior. A steady light means charging, blinking may indicate fault. Once charged above 20%, power cycle the board and check the app for firmware version, write it down. Make sure the battery connector is fully seated and the cover is tightened. These quick checks eliminate 70% of connection losses and prepare you for pairing steps. Next, reset and repair devices to clear stuck states. You power cycle both board and remote. Hold each power button for 10 seconds to flush transient errors. Then, place the board into pairing mode. LEDs should blink in a specific pattern, that's your cue. On the remote or app, initiate a fresh scan and select the board device. Wait for a stable signal strength bar. If pairing fails, try a different distance, about 1 to 3 feet, to avoid interference during the handshake. Finally, validate the fix with controlled tests. You stand the board on a flat surface, set low speed, and apply gentle throttle and brakes to confirm responsiveness. Listen for motor lag or disconnect clicks. Check the app diagnostics or onboard log for dropped packets or error codes. These explain why it dropped previously. If the problem persists, reseat all connectors, swap data cables, or test with a spare remote. This isolates faulty hardware. One key
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.